Well, this is our third annual week of service, and it really aligns with our mission statement to be active participants in the communities where we live and work. So we're just out there. You're seeing these red shirts and maybe the umbrellas today all over. Today we're at the American Cancer Society Walk, but we've been to Junior Achievement. We're helping at Tri-Valley Haven Elementary Schools, doing just a bunch of stuff to support our community.
So today we had kind of a dual two-in-one project. So the beneficiary is St. Vincent de Paul, and they're out of the city as well. We put together hygiene kits, so we took like a little tote bag and stuffed it with some things, some like travel size shampoo, soaps, fresh socks, washcloths, things like that. And those will go to homeless or people in need. And then we also made a bunch of these no-sew blankets. They're super easy to put together. So just 2 pieces of fabric, tie them together, and we have like a cozy, snuggly blanket as the finished product.
I'd say the best part of today's volunteer event is that, you know, every day when you're driving into work, sometimes you see people that are less fortunate. You see them on the side of the road, they need assistance, and just knowing that these hygiene kits as well as the blankets are going to assist them, whether they're big or small, it's something that we've taken the time out of our day to make a difference for people who, need the help.
Today we're having a bowl-a-thon for Robert Half as one of our partnered members, and that's part of our Play for JA series. It's a community outreach. So we have Robert Half employees here today bowling and having a great time after they fundraise significant funds to fund our programming across our region.